Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy, alright, that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to share with you guys how this strategy works. Then after that, I'll be explaining how to set it up. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is boom 1000. Alright, this strategy works on boom 1000 and crash 1000. Okay, these are the two I've tested it on. Alright, so it works perfectly on boom 1000 and crash 1000. Okay, so make sure you take note of that. All right, now this is how you are to use the strategy. Now once there is a spike in the market, all right, you are going to observe your indicator window. Now you see this black line here, it needs to get to the overbought level here. All right, this is the 90 and the 95 level. All right, it needs to get to this level before you think of to start selling. All right, now once it gets to this level, this is one condition being met for this strategy. Right now, the second condition is that you are going to allow this black line here, to cross below the blue moving average. All right, now you can see here on the chart, on the main chart also, you want to see that price has crossing below the blue moving average also. All right, now this is how you are to know it has successfully crossed below it. Now you are going to make sure that the candlestick closes successfully below the blue moving average here on the main chart. All right, so once you have seen that it has crossing below it successfully, that's when you should think of taking an entry with this strategy. Okay, that's when you should think of taking an entry. All right, so once it closes, you are to pick 5 candles. All right, you pick 5 candles and then you exit the market in order to be safe. All right, don't go and stay long so that any spike that will come will not take you out. So as you can see here again, same thing happen. You can see that the two indicators are at the overbought level here. Right, you wait for your crossing. All right, the price to cross below, and the black line crossing below the blue moving average on the indicator window also. Right, so once you see this condition being met, you pick 5 candles and then you exit. This strategy is very simple to understand, as you can see here. So you can see same condition being met here, pick your 5 candles and you exit. All right, so you can see here also. All right, you pick your 5 candles and you exit. All right, so that's how the strategy works. All right, that's how to trade with this strategy. All right, then one more thing you need to take note of is your analysis. Right, before you think of taking any entry, you need to go to the higher time frame to know the direction of the market. All right, you need to know the direction the market is heading before you take entries. Now for this strategy to work properly, you need to go to the 4 hours time frame or the 1 hour time frame, and then you put in your trend line in order to know the direction of the market. Right, you need to know the direction of the market. Now whenever you are drawing your trend line, you need to use the wick, all right, of the candlestick. Don't use the body, use the wick. Right, so you can see according to this strategy, according to the trend line here, the trend is a downtrend. All right, so when you have identified the trend of the market, with this you have full confidence of taking entry on the 1 minute time frame, knowing that you are in a downtrend. All right, so the strategy is going to work perfectly well when you are in the same direction with it. Right, when you are in the same direction with the trend. Right, so once you have analyzed like this, then you go down to the 1 minute time frame. All right, then you start waiting for your conditions to be met. All right, so once the condition is being met, all right, once you see that this is at the overbought level and this is at the overbought level, you wait for the crossing. Also the indicator, the black moving average crossing below the blue one on the indicator window, then you go in for 5 candles, you exit. All right, during the time you'll be applying this on the 1 minute time frame, you need to be checking the 30-minute time frame, all right, to see if price is still below the trend line. All right, you need to be checking so that you confirm that the strategy will still be working. All right, but once it breaks above, all right, you wait for price to get below the trend line again before you start applying the strategy. All right, or you wait for price to be on a downtrend again before you start applying the strategy. Okay, so that you will not have any problem with the strategy. Okay, because it will not work very well. It will not work 99% in an uptrend. Okay, but once you are in a downtrend, it's going to work perfectly fine. All right, So that's what you need to know about this strategy. Okay, so if you have watched to this extent and you have not yet subscribed, please make sure to do that. All right, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful or an educational video like this, you get notified immediately. All right, so that's it for the strategy. All right, that's how the strategy work. All right, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then we are done with this video. Okay, but before I do that, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, if you're a beginner and you have been blowing your account, I have a VIP strategy strictly designed for trading boom and crash. All right, you can use it to grow as little as a $5 account, and and with this strategy, it doesn't even matter if you're a beginner or not. All right, it's explained in such a way that even a beginner can use it to make money. All right, so if you're a beginner that has been blowing your account and you're interested in getting this strategy, you check the description of this video. All right, my WhatsApp contact is there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get this strategy. Okay, so that's it about the strategy. Okay, so let's get back to this one here. All right, so for you to set this up, you click on this F icon here. Now as you can see, the first indicator we have here is the moving average. All right, you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your moving average. These are the properties for the moving average. The period is 7, shift is 5, method is linear weighted, applied to is close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. Now on the style, you make the color blue, 3 pixel, then you click on done. That's it for the blue moving average on the main chart. Now the next indicator we have here is the average directional movement index, right? So you click on the main window plus icon again, you search for your average directional movement index. Now these are the setup. The period is 1, the level you make it 90, 10, 5 and 95. The color is red, 4 pixel, you click on done. The time frame is all time frame. Under the style, you make this the color of your background 1 pixel, this color of your background 1 pixel, all of them make it the color of your background 1 pixel, and then you click on done. All right, that's it for the directional movement index. Now the next indicator we have is moving average, right? So you click on this plus icon, the indicator in the one plus icon or the F icon, whatever you see there, you click on it, you search for your moving average, right? The period is 7, shift is 5, method is linear weight, this one, the apply to is close, right? The level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame, right? The style you make it color blue, 3 pixel, you click on done. Now the last indicator we have here is still a moving average. You click on this plus icon again, you search for the moving average. The period is 10, shift is -5, method is linear weighted, apply to is close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. The style you make it color black, right? 3 pixel, and then you click on done. All right, so once you have set everything correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have this neat screen here. All right, you're going to have something like this on your chart. All right, so that's everything you need to know about this strategy. Okay, and for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, don't forget the link is in the bio of this video, or if you're watching from YouTube, the link is in the description of this video. Make sure to check it out. Okay, join the Telegram channel where I share free signals on daily basis and trading tips that will help you become profitable. Okay, don't miss this opportunity. All right, so that's it guys, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.